In a sleepy town in Arizona in 1957, the summer heat was unbearable, and everyone craved ice cream. So, when Tony, the local ice cream truck driver, started his route with a jam-packed schedule, nobody expected the chaos that would ensue. As Tony made his rounds, his truck's freezer malfunctioned, turning it into an uncontrollable popsicle machine. A sudden sharp turn sent heaps of frozen treats spilling onto Main Street, creating what could only be described as an ice cream slip-and-slide extravaganza. The townspeople, initially shocked, couldn't help but join in the spontaneous fun, sliding down the street with wild abandon. How often does one get to turn a simple childhood craving into a memorable town event?